What up? What up? Yo, what up, Flip? Oh, I'm just setting those last piece. Yo, what up, Jay Styles? I'm trying to take it off the top of the orb bounce is really what I'm going for here. What up, Vince? I honestly just need 200. I just need to get this over 500 right here. I'm just trying to get so I could pass it in one day because I can't pass in one day. Dude, my lunch sucked. My lunch sucked. What up, CT? I'm trying to think what I even ate. Egg whites, avocado. Come on. Come on. Send me through the roof. Come on. Just go. Come on, baby. Damn, crispy pork belly sounds good, man. I feel like you're always having barbecue, right? Code always helps. I want to see it hold right here, though. That's where it's at. The hold and then push back through. Taco chips and queso. That sounds pretty good. Amelia, that sounds pretty good. What up, Dell? What up, Sean? Dude, I love Mexican food. I can eat Mexican food every day. Every day. Damn, Sean. Come on, push it. Push it. I want one big green candle all the way up. Oh, you big piece of shit. Come on. We need the boner candle. Need the boner candle. Then it's flagging. Yeah, Sean. I mean, today has not been great for me either. Has not been great. Oh. Every time it looks good, it just goes the other way. Oh, you got the old MOC account? I know what you're talking about. It's just so slow. No, I'm going to get stopped out. I feel it. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Show daddy that big candle. Let's go. Give it to me. Pump. Come on. I need like 10 points. 10 points. Yeah, Sean, that's a good way to do it. What's up, Mad Moxie? Fuck, man. Out. Unbelievable. Oh. Unfreaking believable. I mean, it's just been chopped. Basically, I got off the stream. And we ran, and now I'm back on the stream and we're chopping again. Oh, you fucking kidding me? Look at this shit. Look at this piece of shit go now. Oh, are you kidding me? I got stopped out at the bottom and then it went. Jeez. I just took a dangerous doo-doo. Yeah, Amelia. You know what's crazy is I got off the stream and I looked and we were still holding the 5-minute fair value gap. And I was like, I'm going to get fucked. And sure enough, I did. See, this was the buy right here, right in this fair value gap. It just held it. Should have just bought. What's up, Double O? What's that? I think you meant what's up, not what's at, right? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Remember that from the Roxbury? What's up? What's up? Dude, it's choppy. It's choptastic. Super, super choppy. Dude, I got people texting me about butthole coin and all this other shit. I'm trying to do good. I'm trying to do good right now. I feel like I kind of dropped the ball a little bit because I definitely sold some stocks out last week at the end of the week. But overall, things are good. I would like to get this account to 50,500 bucks. 51,500. That's kind of the goal. Bo Vosh, what up? I try to buy low, sell high. It's like this new strategy where you buy low, sell high. It feels like it works for some people. It just works. Oh man. I am just like yo, you missed the first stream? Probably better off. It was choppy. Yo, sell high and it goes higher. Yo, all the time. Every time. I'm going to look at what you just posted in the Discord, DBT. I'll look at it tonight. Yeah, I'm going to look at it tonight. I think there's definitely room to improve it. Without a doubt, there's room to improve it, but I got to man, this just seems like it's going to go. It's slow. Slow but up. What's up, Miramar? Yo, I'm slamming CPI. I'm slamming it like Onyx, baby. $8:30 tomorrow. You're going to see my degenerate ass on here hitting the little button. Yeah, bracket play all day, every day, twice on Sunday. Yup. Probably Apex accounts. I got to see if I'm getting rebuild. Let me see if we're getting rebuild. Apex. Apex is 80% off, though, so I would probably get an account even if I'm not getting a rebuild. I might grab like 3 accounts. Let me see. I got boom. You think MOC is going to be a dud? A cash. I appreciate the support. Actually, I might do some with Bulenox also, because Bulenox is a cheap one. Yeah. Bulenox is 91% off right now. I might get some Bulenox accounts. I might get some Apex accounts and see Mr. CPI tomorrow. I can definitely swing some Bulenox accounts. Max Con on My Funded Future. Let's see what I got. May 12th. I don't have any Apex accounts rebilling for a while. I don't have any rebilling for like a week. Oh, I got taken out of one of my contracts? Okay, that was pretty freaking good. That was a good freaking play. I'm not even looking at it. Yo, you got some fast track Daytona from Talladega Nights? Some fucking, what was that? Thunder, what was the other one? You got some Days of Thunder accounts? Bro. You never got a payout from Apex? I think I've gotten a payout from every single firm I've traded with. The only accounts I've never gotten a payout from that I've bought accounts from, I never got a fast track payout. I didn't have them long enough. Same thing with Profit, whatever the fuck they were that went under. And then Fidias is the only one, but I'm never buying another Fidias account again. I didn't buy a lot of Fidias accounts. But I have Fidias accounts still. Yo, you're only allowed one payout a month. What the fuck is that? One payout a month? Bro, what type of horse shit is that? What up, PG? I did get rug pulled. I've gotten rug pulled on Fast Track. I've gotten rug pulled on Profit Trade. I've gotten rug pulled. Well, first of all, the payout policy is the worst policy ever, Kevin. Also, for you to pass a 50K account, you need to get $54,000, not $53,000. So I need to earn 33% more money to pass an account. Like there's so many reasons why I don't want another account. Yeah. Why would I want to make I have to make an extra $1,000 to pass? I'd rather just get something else. I don't want to catch the Fidias. Is this thing going to go for it? Two left. Honestly, once I saw you got paid once a month, I kind of became less interested in it. It became my side chick accounts. Once I realized you can only get paid once a month, I kind of really lost interest in it a lot. Just being honest. Yeah, you can't bracket trade on PA accounts. Oh, come on. No. I'm getting so close with this account. I'm getting so close. Yeah, Eminem, you can't bracket trade on PA accounts with Apex. Yo, I'm not buying an account there, but what was the good rules on top one that they're changing? On top one, everyone was talking about it. Yeah, one direction. Yeah. Well, that's not really a bracket trade. You're really just buying with a stop loss, Kevin. That's buying with a stop loss. Bracket means you're on both sides of it. You know, you're long and short and just waiting for it to move. On top one, you could get a 50K, I wonder if instant account with 6K drawdown. Oh, so your profit is 5,000 and the drawdown was only 6,000? Yeah. I typically don't use any of the new firms. So I was just wondering, and what are they changing it, I guess? Is that the deal? Now they're changing it? Oh, now you have to make 7,500 to take out 3,500? What the fuck is that? So Brandon, you just got to contact support. Dude, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm out on bottom one. I can tell you that. Bro, that's wild. Yeah. You gotta make a lot of money on those new rules though. Yeah, but you would have been paid on any account. Like you just made good trades, right? Like you made good trades. If you made that on Take Profit Trader, you would have gotten paid. Yeah. You know, like it wasn't them. I was just wondering what this like good rule was. Apparently, yeah, the drawdown was greater than what you needed to hit. Old rules seemed like it was pretty good. I'm not getting any new rules. 87% of revenue. Yeah. See, that shit like worries me. Come on, I was just trying to go to even. Oh. Yo, I can't. Yo, 2% consistency rule, one payout every 6 months. Yeah. Dude, there's some prop firms that have crazy rules like that. Like, you're just not going to pass. So if I have a bracket order just to take profit, no, what they don't want you to do is like, I'll show you. They don't want you to do this. Buy, sell, and now whatever way it goes, you're going to get filled on like a news release. Because it chose the wrong pope? I don't know anything about that. Why did he choose the wrong pope? Well, they don't want you to put a buy. Like, they don't want you to put a buy up here and a sell below. And then if it goes up, it gets filled. If it goes down, it gets filled. They don't want you to be able to take advantage of something like that. That's all. Anything else is fine. Like, if you just want to put an order. Yeah, you could bracket trade. Yo, take profit trader. You can do anything you want, Jack, except trade news. That's the only thing you can't do is trade news. But they're going to pay you no matter what at Take Profit Trader. It's crazy. No consistency rule either. Like, so say you have a monster trade today and you get over the buffer and you make a ton of money, like you just take your money out. Dude, I'm just trying to pass this fucking I'm trying to just basically pass this freaking account. I can't seem to get it going. I just can't seem to get this account going. Every time I get close to getting it to 50,500, I get knocked down again. I'm trading like all like little scalps, but I mean, oh. Yo, Keith, I'm just gonna say, is Keith in here? I just hit on Keith's strategy again. I'm not gonna lie. I might fucking start copy trading this. Yo, I have to open up the door for the babysitter. Hold on one second. I'll be back. Yo, so check this out. I'm going to start. Yo, what up, X-Blader? Dude, what's Keith's strategy? Oh, I made the video. Hold on. If you guys haven't watched it, it's... That's the link. It's so ridiculously easy. I don't even understand how it works. How's that sound? All I know is I've taken... I've taken quite a bit of trades. I'm just looking to see... Yeah, I'll show you it. Hold on. Oh, I just cracked my freaking ankles. Yo! RG trades in the house. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm past a couple of accounts. Trying to do my thing. What up, Pips? Marie, it definitely happened today. Here, 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 and then here. Yeah. That's, I'll tell you, it's gonna stop working right now because I'm gonna copy trade and it's gonna stop working. So the end is near. Yeah, on the 15th. Yeah, the RSI did go above 70. This is the RSI. This green line is 70, and it breaks right over here. Look at it. Yeah, it works. I mean, listen, is it going to work every time? No, you got to have your own stop loss, but definitely has worked. I'm not going to say it didn't work. I traded it on Thursday, Friday, and today in my Fidias accounts. And in one Fidias account, I'm up $97. The other one, I'm up 121. So, I mean, I can't say that it doesn't work because it's so simple that it sounds so stupid. Like, I would just say it's a slippery slope if you start adding contracts, but you should add, like I was adding at specific spots. Yo, what up, Pine? MES. MES, Marie. Yeah, on the MES. Works every. This, yo, definitely. So, what do you have? I just have RSI 15-minute. Oh shit! I was looking at the wrong thing. Oh no, it popped above. It popped above right here and here. But I was looking at the NQ. I'm not gonna lie. I traded it off the NQ today. Yo, that's crazy. But yeah, right here and here it breaks 70. What's up, Mama Tick? But yeah, that's what I would I mean, listen, is it the greatest thing ever? I mean, it worked for the long at lunch too, I think. It did not go below 30 for lunch on the 15. But yeah, Amelia, it would definitely it works. I mean, it's so crazy. It's so crazy. And then he, use ATR to determine how much. Yeah. They're regular settings. 14. It's the base settings on Tradeivate. Are you on Tradeivate or TradingView, Marie? Yeah, you got to look on Tradeivate. TradingView has different settings. Yeah, so if you're looking on trade, yeah. Oh yeah, TradingView is different. It's different. Somebody put in the Discord, if you want to look, what your settings would have to be on TradingView to match the Tradeivate settings. Somebody put that in today or last night, what you'd have to change it to. All right, Keith is in here. In TradingView, change RSI to 7, and then you'd have it. Oh, yeah, BK, that's what you meant. It's 5 or 7 on TradingView. Okay. Yes, 7 on TradingView. Yeah. Yo, I mean, I'm glad I got stopped out at the bottom. Fuck, man. Yes. It's pretty legit. Pretty legit. I mean, the odds are you're probably not going to get another signal the rest of the day. It's kind of, there's 4 15-minute candles that are left, and then the day is done. Ah, you got it? Very nice. Nice. Yeah. Very legit. Very, very legit. Um, dude, what is this? What news is this? Do you enter on the close? I don't know what Keith does. It is definitely too legit to quit. I basically just wait until we're in that zone because the odds are I'm willing to add to the position. So I wait till it's just below or above, and then I'll be like, all right. And I look like what's around me. Like I'll look on the chart, and if we're coming down and say like we trigger and we're here, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait till we hit the 200. You know, I would just look at things like that. Damn, tired. But yeah, man, that's it, it's super. It's almost too simple. Is it for everybody? No. Is it pretty? It's just, could it be a foundation for something? Yes. I think you can definitely improve on it by going from the 15-minute and then go down to like a 5 or 1 to find an entry, maybe. Um, I think there's ways to improve, but I have not started really like testing that aspect of it. But yeah, that to me, I only use it during regular trading hours, but Keith was saying that he does it um on all times. Yeah, I don't like trading after hours. All seriousness, I'm not a fan of 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. There's no volume. So I don't trade then. I'm pretty much out on it. And then once 8 o'clock comes and you ride into the Asia session, like it's the worst session to me personally. Unless you have some big news to move it around, there's just a lot of fake outs and things like that. And that's why I stay away from those sessions. But that's just me. You know, some people might do really well during those times. I just don't. So I stay away. I can't believe I was in right here and they stopped me out. That would have been enough to get me over. Yo, trading funds. What's up, man? How have things been? What up? What up? Dude, 975. I don't know. What's interesting is we're in an hourly fair value gap right here. Which kind of believes I'm going to go to the upside. Just trading. I had a really good run with stocks and options recently. Really good run with prop firms. Things have been pretty good. I don't know. What time do you start work, Marie? Damn, Baba. Yeah, what time do you start work? Like, are you like 9 to 5? Honestly, if you could set alerts on your phone when certain things happen, it's probably the best way to trade. You could set alerts, or you could if you're a ninja trader, you can set it to trade a strategy that you have. Damn, you're 7 to 4. You might be able to set a strategy on NinjaTrader to trade for you. They have in the strategy area, you can set things. Yeah. Oh, you tried doing that? Yeah. I don't really know else. Like, I'll be honest with you, like, when you trade at night, it's just kind of like the volume is like peanuts compared to during the day. What up, Carlos? Yeah. I just feel like it's a sucker's time, like, because they'll flash up, they'll come down, like the moves aren't true. You're moving like a couple points at a time. It's just not. Put it like this: there's nobody that's like, if you talk to any like real trader who's making a ton of money, they're not like, I trade. There's certain times of the day that have volume. They're not trading at 7 p.m. Eastern. Like, there's just no volume unless there's news. You'll see it just kind of dies off. Dude, London's good. Yeah, but she'd have to get up early. I would almost say set alerts, Marie, and just trade manually when the alert goes off. That's what I would probably do. Oh. Yo! What up, Newts? What up? What up? Oh. London was insane. Dude, London had one big freaking boner candle. But I'll be honest with you, PG, that ruined the rest of the day. Completely ruined the rest of the day. It caused all this shit chop. I feel like we would have gotten a better day if London candle didn't happen. If we took this candle out, you would have opened up, and I feel like the market would have been better. Yeah, Maximus, that's not a bad time. It's not a bad time at all. That's like those ICT guys use the kill zones. There's certain times of the night and day that have the most volume. Great place to lose evals. Topstep sends in Dakota slow markets to bring in the newbies to buy more resets. Yo, it's true though. Like, I try to tell people that, like, I would not be trading. I would stop trading at 4 o'clock, maybe 10 after 4 Eastern time, and I wouldn't start again until, if I wasn't sleeping, like maybe London Open. I'd probably trade London if I was able to. There's volume during London. It's just Asia's shit. Unless you're trading gold, I think gold starts moving around at like 8:30. Yo, disc golf is pretty cool. Disc golf's definitely cool. But yeah, am I streaming regularly now? I stream every day, Newts. Every single day, 10:30 in the morning till noon, and 2 p.m. to 4:30. Every day. Yeah. Yep. Dude, disc golf and you know what goes down real fast, PG? Those Fisher lemonades. They're like whiskey and vodka in a can. Dude, those things just real quick. Real quick. Yo, we're just sitting in this hourly fair value gap. I would say as long as we continue holding 83, we're probably going to go up. Dude, that's like the perfect summer drink. Those Fishers. Oh. Short dog? I've never heard of that. I got to look into those. I've been wanting to try the John Daly ones, but I don't find them by me. IPA concepts? Yo, is that is that the new trading? IPA concepts? How to trade? I got a friend that's big into disc golf. He plays all the time. All the time, all the time. Short dog is a small bottle. Do you guys have Total Wine by you? So I have Total Wine by me, and it's like a Costco of alcohol. And they got everything, all wines, all beers, all everything. Mike's Hard Lemonade sucks. Yeah, it's me. We used to go to Yo, Amelia, Total Wine in 2020 got you through the pandemic. Bro, my wife won't freaking stop with this. Hold on. I need to take a photo. My printer has no ink and my kid needs to print stuff out. Yeah, Bulenox is 91% off again. Coupon code Cove Trader. 91% off. I think it's like $15 and something cents for 50K. 50K, 50K, 50K. Dude, I just wanted to get this one account. This one's a pro account already. I just need to flip. That's a good deal that you can go watch UFC at the movie theater. Place probably goes bananas. That's a real good deal. I would go watch for $13 at a movie theater with a bunch of friends. Get all wild. I will say. Yeah, that's news to me. I usually go on one of those. No, not me. Sorry. I have a friend. I have a friend that I know that uses a link, I guess, and watches it. But I never watch that, without a doubt. I most definitely do not use that link because that would be wrong. Oh, man. But yeah. Yo, definitely do not. Of course. Yeah. Definitely do not. Do not use the link. Do not use the link. There were 5 people. Dude, I always get worried about that stuff. I'm like, they're tracking me. They could definitely track that shit. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Yo, Knob, did you watch that remix that Sean posted in the Discord? Dude, I'll play some of it. Let me see if I can play some of it. I gotta find it. Dude, that shit was hysterical. Oh, man. It's so far back. It was only like I can't even find it. Oh, jeez. Either I passed it or I haven't even gotten there yet. Yeah, I can't find it. Dude, this thing's just ripping. I was literally in at the bottom here. What up, Vicious? Bro, it's hysterical. Do I think we revisit the top? I mean, we're running out of time, to be honest with you. I mean, you got to go up 70 something points in the next 40 minutes. I mean, could you do it? Yeah. I think you could definitely do it. Are they going to? By the way, this is the trade of the day. We basically came down and we hit this 5-minute fair value gap and dumped. That was such a freaking entry. I would have grabbed that if that was normal trading hours, but I can't believe I didn't just take this off the 5-minute fair value and just hold the as long as we held the bottom orb and the 5-minute, just hold it. That was stupid. That was so stupid. Oh, this is it?
Do not come.
I'm gonna come. Jeff Bezos came. Bill Gates came. Zuckerberg came. Many of them came numerous times.
Oh,
Everybody's coming.
Do not come.
Yo. It's in the freaking chat. It's in the Discord. That shit's so funny. Jeff Bezos came. Yo. Sean pinned it in the Discord. If you want to look, here's the link. Shit's hysterical. Jeff Bezos came. Fucking Mark Zuckerberg came. Multiple times. And then they show Kamala, and she's like, do not come. Dude. She's making freaking crazy stuff. Multiple times. Yo, any Diddy updates? I had it up. Shit was just. Last I checked, he asked if he could have his baby oil back. He was like, can I get my baby oil back? All right, let's see what happens. Bro, Diddy's fried, man. Fried. They got the what do you call it? They got the updates. Oh, dude. Bro, wasn't, dude, somebody went on the stand. Yo. First witness. Jeez. It doesn't look good already. Is it weird that he was testifying and Diddy was smiling, going like this? Yo, Diddy's gonna roast. This looks shitty though. We're unable to stay above the top orb, and we're just getting lower highs here. I got a tight stop, but come on. Come on. Take $260 real quick. Bro, I mean, they brought the first witness, and the first witness is already. I'm reading it. It doesn't sound great. It doesn't sound great. It sounds like Diddy's in some trouble.
Order filled.
Yo.
Order filled.
Pretty much. So it's going to sell right through. It looks so dumpy. It looks just dumpy. Yo, guys, just remember, this is only a pause for 90 days. Like, in 90 days, if nothing comes about, even if nothing comes about in like 55 days, you're going to start seeing the market start to trend back down because they know in 90 days, if nothing happens, the tariffs come back. So just remember that this is only a temporary pump. This is like the pump for the big boys to dump back into on retail's face. All seriousness. Like if a deal doesn't get done, this was the pump to unload all their shit before it really drops. Just remember that. Yeah, well, it can definitely string out for 6 months to a year, without a doubt. You got to remember, China doesn't want to take the loss. China has to show that they won. Just remember that. And the more time we give them, the more time they're working other shit out behind our backs. So I would just... It's not great. I don't think it ends that great. Personally. I got to get water. I'll be right back. It does. Lori asked me, he said I was low in toner. Yep. Oh, I'm back. Yo, CT. Yeah, exactly my point. Yeah. Exactly my point. This would be the perfect pump to do it too. It's all almost all the way back up. And then they just kind of, after 30 days or so, you're going to start seeing like, little selling, little selling. Just one of those things. You got to think these firms can't position in one day. Like they're massive. So they're going to need like a little bit to really position buys, sells. And I think it's just over the course of the next month or so, as long as we stay up in this area, they'll sell or protect themselves with options. And
Order filled.
is that really where VWAP is? Oh, no. I love how VWAP moves on Project X. Yo, TiVo Kurt. What's up, TiVo? Lord's in here. Noel. Dude, I didn't even know you guys were in here. Who else is in here? How long do you think it took for Diddy to get into position? Dude, you got to see some of the stuff they're talking about. Maybe drop it down to 65. Come on. Come on. What up, Brandon? I'm just looking for a dip. I don't know if they're going to sell it, Kron. I'm just saying, like, I'm just watching it. I think it's just a target at 861 for this imbalance. You got to remember, though. Oh, we ended up flipping the hourly fair value gap. I'm going to move my stop down just in case it flips the other way. I don't lose a lot of money. Just kind of move the stops down as we go. Oh,
Order filled.
I don't have open actually. I got to pull up Tradeify. Tradeify for that special time.
Order rejected.
Who's playing MOC? Do I play MOC? What up? I'm trying to lose money on Trade Funder. but I'm not allowed to do 15-second trades. What the fuck is that? Why can't you do 15-second trades? Yo, I dare you to write support and tell them 15 seconds is a long time. That's what you should write to them. Like, do you know how long 15 seconds is? Like, dude, hook a brother up. I am going to play. That's crazy. If you don't allow 15-second trades, like sometimes you buy and like within 5 seconds, you're up 200 and something dollars. Like, why wouldn't I take that money? Oh man, what just happened? Oh, Chris Berman extended his thing. I think we're going lower though. Just seems it. I mean, if I was anybody, I'd be looking to take some profits. I just can't lose. Double my wins by mistake. So oh, Fred. You know when you have a better chance, Fred, is after hours. Because there's a little bit of a spread also. You could definitely lose some money after hours. Yeah, I agree, Tony. But it's a temporary. We're not fully done. It's a temp hold. It's a 90-day temp hold. So, I mean, I'm not sitting here thinking it's done. It can go a lot longer than 90 days. I'll tell you one thing. All it's going to take is China to upset Trump one time, and he starts tweeting stupid shit about China and the tariffs, and that's the end of this, quote unquote bull run. That's the end of this bull run. Trading Bot is back. What up? I just feel like we're going to target down here. Come on. Give me that drop. Just one push. What up, Ray? Dude, this account has been back and forth all day. All day. Watch, it goes now. Are you kidding me? Dude, I'm so sick and tired of this account. I'm just all in. Finally losing? Yo, have to reset the Ray counter. How many days without Ray? Dude, it was wild. We thought he died. Too much rice wine. You thought the rice wine got you, Ray? Dude, the sellers need to step up right now and flush this thing. All right, I'm setting up my replicanto. This account smoked. I have written this account off. I'm setting up my replicanto. Actually, I don't even need to do my replicanto, do I? I'm just going to do it in... Yeah, I need to. Does that not look fucking like they're just going to unload it?
Order filled.
Does that just not look like they're just going to unload it?
Order filled.
Dude. What the fuck? Come on, man. Push it. Time to represent.
Order filled.
I am setting up. I gotta do replicanto still. Replicanto. I'm gonna do 5 and 8. No. Oh yeah, I'll do 5, 8. 5 is the lead.
Order filled.
I did it. We did it. We did it, Cove. Yo, look at that shit. I got it now. I'm 1 day to pass. And I stacked some gains in this Bulenox account that's getting close to a payout. $1,200. Dude, I knew that was going to drop. I fucking knew it. Do the Trump dance. All right. 50K, 50K. We about to slam this thing. Dude, right off the imbalance. Look at that. Boing. What accounts should I be trading? I guess this Apex account, right? Slam some evals with 19 minutes left in the market. What up, Palooza? The MOC fake out? I don't know, man. I don't know. All I know is I needed that one last trade. That was money. Money. All right. That was good shit. How's options land going? I mean, obviously, I'm up today. I'm up $1,300. I'm up $1,361 today. That's in my one account. And my other account, I am up. I'm actually down 155. I don't know. Net up $1,200 today. I take it. I think we're going to give up some of these gains. I don't really want to push into the market up here. I want a little drop. Little drop, Eddie McDropperson would be nice. By the way, if we hit 100 people on the stream this week, I got something special going on. Just an FYI. Just an FYI. We hit 100 people on the stream. What up, Lenny? What do we got? What do we got? Jules. Welcome to the stream, Jules. Kay, what's up? Deba's in here. Rosales. Pole, what up, Pole? Joshua. Jay Fiska. I'm just seeing people I missed while I was looking at some of this stuff. Yeah, man. Tell them. What up? Tell them. Bellardo. I don't think I've ever seen Bellardo in here. What's going on, man? John. Oh, I still think we're going to go lower. Just feels like what's weird is we're up so much, but the candles aren't like that big. Nice shark fin. Is that like LL Cool J's song? My hat is like a shark fin. Tell me somebody remembers that song. My hat is like a shark fin. And he's wearing the fucking hat the other way. What up? I'm doing pretty good, Marco. Bellardo, well, welcome to the stream as a first-time viewer. We're just hanging out. Not having the best of days. But passed a couple counts. Got some up. Doing all right. How are you doing today? Here we go again. Another ride. Yeah, Paul, it hasn't been that great of a day, personally. I have not. Thorum G. Take Profit Trader 5 funded accounts. Got fucked. Damn, man, that sucks. Just in the chop, I guess. I assume in the chop. It hasn't been that great of a day. Yeah. I'm with you, man. It was definitely a rough day. What's up, Nathan? Yeah, all my red came from the chop pretty much. I was trading in the chop. Get ready to start. Oh, by the way, CPI is tomorrow. CPI is tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. Just throwing it out there for anyone that wants to play. I am going to be playing CPI. Yeah. Just feels right. Jaden, if you're not feeling it, no trade is a trade. You know, you don't have to trade. You know, maybe just waiting it out it might be good. Might actually help you out just kind of sitting on the side waiting. You know, you got to be able to watch it go without you and not be like, get the FOMO. You definitely don't want the FOMO. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no need to be like, oh, I need to trade. Like, just chill out. The trades will happen, and that's it, you know? Or you could size down. You could always size down and trade. You know, you don't have to do full size. You could say, okay, full size is 1 mini. You know, maybe I grab, I don't know, 3 micros. You know, you don't have to trade the full size. Oh, you got tight butthole syndrome is what you got. Yo, how much money to a payout, Jaden? Yeah, you got that. I know exactly what you got. You don't want to lose. Yeah, you're right there. You're $300 away from a payout. Oh, dude. I know what you got. Some TBS. Yo. I'll be honest with you. The hardest money is the last money to get. You know, the first money is the easy money. I
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Why did it not? Why? So I got it. I definitely got it. But why did it not copy trade? Oh, you fucking kidding me? Yo, it didn't copy trade because I was in the NQ March contracts. So fucking stupid. I got it. I still got it. I got $400 in a. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. I got it. I got it though, but I was in the wrong contracts. In the wrong contracts. That sucks. At least I got it. That was your first try doing it, Fred? That was your first try? It's that's a good one to do. I mean, it worked. I mean, we definitely got it. I don't think I'm drifting, by the way. I think I'm going to pause on the drift. Just doesn't feel. I'm not going to drift. One of those things. Just not going to do it. Dude, a super clean one. What is the end of day model you guys use? You talking about drift? Like, are you talking about like at 4 o'clock or what just happened? Dude, I was thinking about shorting this. I wouldn't have got filled. Yeah. What, Paul, you talking about what just happened or at 4 p.m.? So what some of us do is bracket trade the MOC candle. So you have a buy and then you have a sell, and depending on which way it goes, it clips your buy or sell. The 4 p.m. candle, the 4 p.m. is from 4 p.m. to 4:02. It creates a 2-minute opening range, and then you play the break. That's the drift. I'm not doing the drift today, though. I don't know. I'm just not. I'm not feeling it. I'm on the accounts. I'm up. I'm good where I'm at. I'm good where I'm at. No, but it's just it's like the first, it creates an opening range. I don't want to fuck my day up. I don't want to make my day worse. Like, I made some money in some good spots. I just don't want to risk it on that trade. So I'm just going to chill. Dude, are they going to push it all the way up to high a day? Are we going high a day? HOD? Ooh. Oh, shit. Roasted. Roasted. If they pick this back up, they might run it. It's got to go back over the orb. You passed your very first eval flip? I thought that's crazy. Bro. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'll risk it for the biscuit. Let's see if they just destroy it down. They just sell this off down to like 01. Or do I just take a couple $100 profit right here? Oh, man. It's got bad entry. Yo, Flip, I'm just curious, who'd you pass it with? What prop firm did you pass it with? Flip. Yes, Vince. Yes. The one that doesn't get filled gets canceled. Yep. No flipping way. Dude, that's awesome. Game over. Is there a name for the drifting strategy? I think it's just called the drift because the market kind of drifts after hours. It doesn't like trade. It kind of just drifts. I think that's where we got it from. Whew, jeez. Come on. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of the point of it. It just kind of drifts one way or the other at the end of the day. I feel like it wants to just tag this imbalance up there. I'll just take that. It's the end of the day. If I could make $200 real quick and be done, I'm done. Just feels like it has right to 952. Yeah, I've seen the algo. Like, I mean, this one's kind of keep going. The algo happened, and we're just keep going. You know, we're definitely just keep going here. I think it's going to hit probably up here, unless when they close it, they just kind of kill it. You know, you just drifted the shit out of that. Yeah, see, look there. That's the price target. Boom, out. That's what I was talking about. I just got fucking greedy. Did I just do this? Oh, it barely gave me any money. What a piece of shit. ES and YM is new highs. Let's see what new highs is. New highs would have to be all the way up. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy for new highs. I mean, can still do it. What up, Hugh Deck? Dude, they just pushed that end of day and just ripped it. Literally just ripped it end of day. Yo, Flip, that's awesome, man. I feel good for you. Yo, what account was it? What prop firm account was it? I think I missed it. Little TPT action or Apex? I feel like it's one of those. My funded futures. Interesting. Interesting. Damn, they're just pushing this. So in theory, you would go short or long over this. But, you know, I'm not taking that. First of all, if we get all the way down here, that's a big fucking drop. And not only is that a big drop, I don't know. I guess you take it back. I mean, we just ran up. That's my problem with the whole drift thing. Yeah, I feel like I almost feel like the 4 p.m. candle is a better one to go off of. You know, I feel like 4 p.m. is the way to go. Just seems like that. is the way. Damn. What up, Cube? What up? What up? No big earnings? No, you have CPI tomorrow. 8:30 in the morning, you have CPI. Yeah, that's going to be, I'll be honest with you. Oh, dude, I think CPI was hot. Was it hot last time? Last CPI print. Dude, I think it was hot last time. I'm probably going to play like 3. Probably 3. I'm just looking to see what, I think it was hot. Yeah, Cube, I learned my lesson not to do 7. 5 is usually, 5 minis is the way to go for me personally. I go 5 minis and it usually gets me there. Lets a little room to move. Oh, it wasn't hot last time. It's going to be interesting. I might play 7 minis on the news. Seven minis on the news will probably get me there. Ooh, I just locked in $100, $100 day in fucking, what do you call it? What account is that? Tradeify? Damn, homie. Is that me? Oh, thank you. Bro just made 2,000 on this move. Whoa. What account you do that in, D-Bot? What My Funded Futures account? Because one of them has a consistency rule. The others do not. What up, Christopher? Yo, look like I grabbed the coffee through the screen. Oh, yeah, my wife gave it to me. Yeah. See, I would say like today was a mixed day. Like today wasn't a good day. Like here's my funded account with Tradeify, my eval with Tradeify, obviously up. Take Profit Trader is both up. This I just had to flip. This is going to become a pro account after tomorrow. So like overall, that's good. This is good. That's not good. You know, like it's not really a great day. It wasn't really, it was kind of like a mixed bag day. Yeah, starter plus, but they actually bitch about after hours. Really? Fuck that, man. You tell them I made the money. Pay up, bitches. That's what you should tell them. Time to pay up. Yeah, Take Profit Trader allows you to trade until 4:59. Yo, Take Profit Trader is the best one out there. Hands down. Hands down. Like, I don't care what anyone says. There's no rules except the news rule. It's literally, there's no activation fee also. Yo, I'm gonna call them up. I'm gonna call them up and tell them. Yo, the Discord is freaking hysterical. Yo, is DBT in here? I've used that indicator before. It's pretty good. Yo, that's why I use Take Profit Trader as my number one firm to use. Like people ask. First of all, there's no activation fee. So you don't have to pay that 150 bucks. And then you can trade however the fuck you want. You want to make money, you make money. You know, they're not sitting there, you know, and you could pull out more than 50% of your money in 30 days. Yo, that indicator I've used before. I have it as a favorite on mine, actually. What is it? CM Williams? Dude, I've used this before. It has all the dots. It has the bars at the bottom, right? That are green and red.
The market is closed.
The market is currently rigged. Why don't I have it in my favorites anymore? See, I was going to play around with something like this also. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, but what are you looking for? Well, I guess. Well, it's got to probably be over a certain number. It's got to be over a certain shit. I'm going to buy TBT 50K and milk them for a personal bank. Yo, that's what I've done, Deba. My last account that was pro, I made like $4,000 from them. Oh, the first gray bar after the green. I like it. I'll throw it on there and play around. I use this, which is a somebody told me to use this indicator. It gives the first fair value gap, the silver bullet gap. So this was this. Yeah. What's interesting, you could see we came down and we touched this gap right here, and then we fucking ripped it back. Touched this a couple, look, touched this once, twice, died off, and then when you finally broke it, on the 1 minute, I wouldn't play it on the 1 minute. I don't really like it on the 1 minute. Now, I saw it just sent some guy to live after 5 days of profit of what? That's crazy. Rip and dip. Yo, that's crazy that they sent him there so quick. I was at the kiddo school. What'd you miss? We hit on the end of day trade. We definitely hit end of day. Yo, what's crazy is that drift would have worked. You would have gotten your 5 points right here. Fucking wild. Yeah, I know, D-Ba. It's crazy that they sent them to live so quick. I don't know. I need $1,300 more for a payout here. $1,300 more for a payout. Oh man. Yo, 15 con no stop. What's wrong with that? Gets the people going. Dude, 15 cons no stop is where it's at. Yeah, I don't know what it takes to go live, Scotsman. I don't really know. I think they all have their own little criteria. I will say I will be copy trading that ES strategy tomorrow. And that tomorrow will be the first day it doesn't fucking work. It's worked Monday, it's worked Thursday, Friday, and today. Yo, I'm ready. Yo, Apex is sending me live. Yeah. Today will be tomorrow will be the first day it doesn't work. What time tomorrow for what? CPI is at 8:30. 8:30 in the morning, you have CPI. I'm going to slam a couple of accounts for the news. I just feel like I could do I could probably do a couple of accounts tomorrow. The strategy for ES, I made the video about it. It's Keith's thing. I'm going to tweak it a little bit. Keith has no stop loss. I have a stop loss. I'll put the video in here. Yo, if you guys want to watch it. Smash the like button. I'll send it in the chat right now. Let me see. This is it. Here's the link on it. Cove, what was the gray indicator you showed a few minutes ago? What? This gray bar right here? Like that? I didn't mean to do that. Fuck, man. So I'll show you. Oh, the bottom one? This is called CM Williams VIX. And it has to do with the VIX and basically tries to find bottoms. It's one of those things. I've used it in the past. Damn, yo. Diddy's got 91K. Yo, I'm gonna do a giveaway for only large point holders for people around all the time. Yo, what out up Alpha Roa trades? To join, you have to be in here for more than 5 minutes. So I would say hang out, and then you could go. We give out the account tomorrow also, so you could come back tomorrow. Carlos. All right, what up, Carlos? Yeah. If you're brand new, the system stops brand new people from just signing up. You got to be in here just, I think it's like 25 minutes. How many points is large? I don't know. I got to look. If you're in the room pretty much every day, Kevin, I'm sure you're going to be fine. I don't know where it's going to happen. People have asked about it. You guys vote on everything. You guys voted. You wanted to see it. Also, we might do a poker tournament as well. There are talks in the Discord of doing another poker tournament. Currently, I have the belt. All you guys that talk a lot of stuff about being good at poker, I currently own the belt. So if you guys want a shot at the champ, I guess we can do another poker tournament. And yeah, we can possibly do it. I want to give it a week of people signing up. So we'll probably do it next week. Yo, everybody thought they were going to get the belt. Daddy came away with it. Yeah. Until next tournament. That's what they all say, Sean. That's what they all say. My name is forever on the winner's board of the Cove tournaments. Cove tournaments, my name is forever on the board of champions. There's a board. I'm there. Totally rigged. Yo, Ray. Yeah. All right. So let me set this up for everybody. By the way, if you're new and you're not able to join for free accounts, you got to subscribe below. And you just got to be on the stream for a little bit, and Streamlabs will let you in. It's a time-based thing. It's so people can't sign up 35 accounts at once. Also, I stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you have questions about anything, strategies, prop firms, options, stocks, now is the time to put it in the chat because I can show you my screen and walk you through whatever you have questions about. Also, if you want to hang out, here's our free Discord. Nothing I do is charged. Everything's free, by the way. So if you want to hang out with us after hours, that's a good place to find all of us. We sometimes play poker at night. There's a voice chat. Anybody can join. Yeah. Yo, I had to mute him. He was snoring on the fucking channel. I had to mute his ass. Where is Dell anyway? Is he working? I feel like we got Ray and we lost Dell. We like swapped. I'm going to do an options course and I'm going to do a futures course. Actually, the futures course is almost done. It's going to be free. You guys can fucking go through it. Because people ask me like, where's this? Where's that? Like, it's just going to be in one spot. It's a PDF and everything's going to be there for everybody. And then I'll do another course / PDF and it'll be all about options. It's just the easiest way to do it. Because a lot of people come in and they're like, oh, can you show me this? Can you show me that? And be like, bro, here's the link. Get the course. It's free. Ask questions after you look at it. Okay, back to this. All right. Also, if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows me to do these free giveaways. Also, the deal of the week from My Funded Futures. What the fuck is it anyways? I think it's 20% off. Oh, it's 30% off. I'm going to be honest with you. This is the deal. I would go get a Take Profit Trader account that's $30 or $25 less as a Take Profit Trader account. I would do the Take Profit Trader account. But if you trade with My Funded Futures, expert plans are 30% off this week. I'm just an honest guy, and I'm telling you, the deal is there, but I think Take Profit Trader is worth it. It's a cheaper account, and there's no trading rules, and you can do daily payouts. So just keeping it reals. Keeping it reals with everybody, what I would do. Also, if you got questions, that will probably answer a lot of your questions. I'm trying to set this shit up too. If you're trying to get in for the giveaway, you guys voted. The giveaway ends at 3:55. You guys voted for us to shut it down at 3:55, so you can't just swoop in at the end of the day and join. So you guys voted on it, and that's why it's been locked since 3:55. The high table votes. I let you guys vote on everything. Actually, this whole room and everything we do is always voted on you guys. So whatever you guys want is typically how everything goes. I rarely do something without you guys voting on it. So this is the morning stream. And then the winner of the morning stream plays the winner of the afternoon stream. Winner gets a Take Profit Trader account. Dude, I looked real fast. I thought that was a freaking thong for a second. Yeah, I thought that was a chick wearing a thong. Yo. Yo, that was so fun. I was like, what is that? That's funny. Ace Double D. Sometimes I get this message and can't watch the stream. I don't know. That's weird. That why can't you? What's it say? Bro, I don't even know what the fuck that is. I gotta click on the ad. That looks like that movie Centipede, where everybody's head is shoved up the other guy's butt. It's the Centipede movie. What is that? Who's buying any of that shit? These planters look cool. Oh, baby. Oh, Marie. Look. Chad, you beat Marie out. Chad, that's messed up. It's 426. You got Chad. Yo, Chad just did Marie dirty. Yo, Chad's there. That's weird that you can't do that. By the way, if you're subscribed, you still got to hit that yellow bell. Otherwise, YouTube will not notify you if I go live. That's super weird. Try hitting the bell. Because if you hit the bell, YouTube will send you a notification. And if you click on the notification, you should be fine. That's what But yeah, the bell is where it's at. Otherwise, YouTube won't notify you. So weird. Did they get rid of the bell? They used to have a bell. Is it still there? Yo, you got to ring the bell, baby. Oh, man. Who's going to win? Smashing them. Oh, man. I tried. That's the only way because I did a poll and like I don't know, almost 70% of the people don't get notifications when I go live. So, and a lot of people are like, "Oh, I didn't know you were live." So you got to hit the bell and then they notify you. Apparently, that's the only way I know that you can do it. No. Yo, is prelim in here? You got 2 minutes. It's 4:29. 4:29. Are we gonna rerun it? Uh-oh. We might be rerunning it. Let's see. Oh, he's here. I thought we had a rerun. One time we had a rerun for like 3 times. Yo, what do we want? We want bouncy balls? You want bouncy balls? What race do we want, guys? Let me know what type of race you want. Prelim. Who won? Prelim and who else? I forget already. Oh, and Chad. Balls? Everybody want balls? Takes a minute to switch the burn. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Everybody wants the balls. Oh, baby. Sacks were the... Yo, everybody likes the sacks too? Yo, would you fall asleep, Dell? Yo, prelims got you, Chad. Yo, you going to let that happen? Oh, look at Chad go. Chad, look at you go. Damn. Chad showed out for Marie. That kid don't look like Chad. Yo, you're on the phone with Top Dog Law? Top Dog Law. Yo, lightning strikes you? We're going to sue God. Top Dog Law. Yo, those commercials are freaking amazing. But yeah, if you want to join the race, you got to be in it by 3:55 every day. That's the cutoff. Made by you guys. I am not dead, I promise. Bro. What up, Dell? Yo, all seriousness, today could have been so fucking easy. Today could have been so easy. Why don't I have... Like, I shit you not. It should have been so easy. This was the long to take. Right off this 5-minute fair value gap. And then you had... Crazy. Yeah, I mean, question. When you pay for Apex PA activation, how long do you keep your accounts for, Bartolo? I'll be honest with you. I've been doing 105 because I figured I'll get a payout and then I'm fine with it. But I do 105. Now, but if you're trading like and you're making $50 a day, then go for lifetime. Yo, LOL, 4 days? Bro, if you keep it for 4 days, then you have the answer, man. The answer is 105. 105. Just use my code on a new one, Chad. I'll send it. I got you. I got you, man. Wow. I'm telling you though, we hit 85 today, I think, on the chat. If we hit 100 in the chat this week, I got a bonus for everybody. We'll see what happens. Spit out the bonus. Better call grandma up. Top dog law. London Open got you, Keith? Why? Whoa, bad shape? Whoa, why? What are you at, Keith? What's the account at? You would have, if you stayed in, you would have been fine because it eventually dumped. Yo, not bots. Real people. I'll see you in the Discord, CT. Yo, if you would have held, you would have been fine. Did you stop out or did the account stop out? Unless, oh, you were in prior to London is what happened, and then the London candle happened, right? So you were in like down here. I'll be honest with you, Keith. When I was looking at it, I wouldn't use that strategy outside of New York. You know, New York would be the only time I would use it. Only because there's less volume and like shit like that could happen. Are you at 3,000, Keith, or like 1,500? Listen, man, that you're not the first person to make 12 grand and then fucking lose it all, man. I could tell you that right now. And if you think you're the only one, you're crazy. I've seen people make a lot more money than me. I've seen people lose a lot more money than me. I think what people learn when they make a lot quick, it's harder to keep the money than make it. Making the money is the easy part. It's keeping it is the hard part. But I will say, if you lost the majority of it, you should definitely implement some type of stop loss. You should definitely implement some type of stop loss in your system. What that stop loss could look like, it could look like a couple of things, Keith. You know, it could look like, I don't know. It could look at like a dollar amount. It could look like, over a certain level. Yeah, I mean, 98,000 in a month. Yeah, DBT. I've seen guys in other groups 100x on crypto and lose 100K. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, keeping the money is the hardest part. I mean, and if you can't get comfortable with losses, like you just have to be okay with losses. Like that's the best. Like with trading, like if you're not okay with losses, then you're not going to make it because everybody's going to get their dick kicked in. Like man, I'm trying to take an example. Like at one point this year when we were dipping, just to give you an idea, when the NQ was dipping, right? During this, I was down at one point. I was down a lot of money at one point. Like without counting like my larger account, just like my trading accounts, I was probably down about 70 grand. But I kept adding and adding and adding, and I was pretty much all in down here. And then obviously I made it all back plus. But you got to be okay with being down money with trading. Otherwise, you're not going to make it. Yeah. I mean, I also talked about in the video I made with Keith's system, if news comes out, yo, Keith, get the fuck out of here, man. You're still up a fuck ton. Bro, I thought you had like $1,000 left. I thought you had like $1,000 left, Keith. Jeez, what are you're still up? You're still up almost 200% in 30 days, dude. And you learned a good lesson. Bro. Yeah, but you're going to have drawdown. That's just drawdown. Keith, you learned a valuable lesson and you're still up a lot of money. The lesson is when there's news out there, news trumps all strategies. So if there's news out there, it's going to trump whatever strategy you have. I would never go against the news. Yo, Keith started with $3,000. He went from 3,000 up to 15, and now he's at 8,200. Yeah. I would have rules where like I would not be in any positions when London opens. That's probably a good rule. do not be in any positions when London opens. Just jump out. If there's news, I wouldn't go against the news bias. You know, if there's good news, it can keep going up. That day, you just don't short that day. That's probably what I would say is don't short on a day where there's good news. Same thing. I wouldn't go long on a day that there's bad news. You got to have some type of bias on your day. London opens 3 a.m. in the morning on Eastern time. Yeah, Amelia. Yeah, exactly. So I would definitely just have certain rules. And as you build this thing out, you'll get more rules. And the rules are to keep you out of doing stupid trades, not to make more money. You know, you already have something that makes you money. Now it's just to stay out of bad trades. I don't know. I think it closes at 11. It could be 11:30, 11 or 11:30. Christopher. But yeah. Always have a stop loss in mind where, you know, you just can't get fucked. Like if you just have one that sits out there that's maybe 50 points above wherever you get in, just in case there's a news candle, you get triggered at 50 points. Oh, man. Campbell all. Oh, man. I'm exhausted. But if you're looking to play CPI, Bulenox is 91% off. That's not a bad one to do it with. Also, Apex is 80% off. That's not a bad one to do it with. I'm probably going to play some Bulenox accounts. I'm probably going to grab 5 accounts, but probably like 2 Bulenox accounts, Tradeify account, maybe 2 Apex accounts, and I'll probably end up playing this 150K take profit trader account because that's one way for me to get $4,500, which is a lot of money. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use CPI to get half of this money. But all right, guys, I'm jumping off. If you got questions, come in the Discord. It's in the description of this video. If you want to support the stream, code below. If other than that, guys, I might stream at 8:30 tomorrow for the news. If you guys are around, I might stream 8:30, yeah, for the news. We'll see what happens. If not, you could catch me in the Discord. Ray, they were looking for you to play cards in the Discord. They've been looking for it. But, all right, I am jumping off because I got to go coach baseball with my kid. So, peace.